What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel where today I want to show you the demo mode on this 48-inch Philips 807 OLED so we can really see what this TV is capable of. Now as you can see, this TV does have the amazing Ambilight feature, so hopefully this demo will really highlight that. Now the way that we access this demo is by grabbing the remote and pressing on the settings button, and then we just go to Demo Me. Next we're going to go down to Manage Demos, then onto Play, and then we are going to click on Vision of Sound DA. Wow, that looks mega impressive. Just take a look at that. So sharp. Those Ambilights looking absolutely beautiful. That is seriously impressive. What an amazing feature that Ambilight really is. Well, there you have it then guys. Now if you enjoyed this quick demonstration of the Philips 807 OLED with Ambilight, do us a favour, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more in the future, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.